Hi friends. In this video, I would like to share about how to increase your credit score fast. Before starting the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future exciting videos released. Your credit score is the most crucial indicator of your financial health for the financial institutions to approve your loans or credit card applications. There are several easy methods you can leverage if you wish to increase your credit score fast. First method: review your credit reports regularly. How to know if your credit score is hurting you? I strongly advise you to review your credit reports from the major credit bureaus of your country every 3 months to 6 months. By doing this, you can check for any inaccurate information that will affect your credit score. Common mistakes include human error when the information is input into the bank system wrongly. Your ex-spouse's data may remain on your credit report too. You can raise a dispute of the error found on your credit report through online submission or call the respective bureau in your country. Second method: limit your applications of new credit cards and loans. Hard credit check occurs when you register for any new credit card or loans from the bank repeatedly from a period of a few months to 2 years. It is also advisable to avoid repeatedly reapplying for any form of loan or credit card in a short time, especially when the banks reject your applications, as it can damage your credit score. The reason is due to statistics showing that those who register for new loans or credit cards repeatedly are on a higher level risk of default. Third method: pay every credit card bill and loan repayment on time. How do late payments affect your overall credit score? Banks will evaluate your credit report and your credit score before approving your loans. Your past payment history of the bank's loan or credit card is usually a good indicator of your ability to repay a future loan from the bank. Your credit score will be negatively affected for up to 7 years if you miss any credit card bills or any bank loan repayment. Fourth method: increase the credit limits of your credit card. Does increasing your credit limit affect your credit score? This is a great question people commonly ask. Technically, the credit limit will not hurt your overall credit score. Most credit bureaus will focus on the utilization ratio. This is the second most crucial element in credit score calculations. The phrase credit utilization refers to the percentage of your credit limit that you will be using across all your credit cards at any period. For example, you will receive a credit utilization ratio of 20% when spending $2,000 out of the credit limit of $10,000. However, if you spend another $3,000 with your credit card, your utilization increases to 50%. In general, it is always encouraged to maintain your utilization rate below 30% of your credit limit. A high ratio can be an indicator of you having financial difficulty. Please allow at least 2 months for the methods suggested in this video to start improving your credit score positively. You won't see any immediate results the next day after completing the methods discussed in the video. Having a clean credit report can also influence your job prospects, as some employers will require credit reports during the hiring process. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future interesting videos released. Please feel free to leave any comment below if you have questions, and I will reply to it.